wa uthiee wa mbere guku bururiini ni thiite na mbere na gwikerita na makiria kurikaria kaunti ya Siaya metikire kunyitanira hamwe na thirikari ya President William Ruto itemini ria kugacirithia maundu matiganite uko akiuga ati ihinda haria utetini rithirite ukiriugo ni thiite na mbere na kurikaria mwena ucio metikire kuhebia thirikari ya President William Ruto na gukorwo magitithika githanagia na uthiee wa mbere kana tabarĩra itiganite cia uthiee wa mbere ta uria President William Ruto ire hindi ria tabanagia kampeni ciake mwaka muhituku.
People of this region to create an enabling environment for the government to deliver on its mandate. Development can only thrive in an atmosphere of peace, not an atmosphere of perpetual noise, distraction. We want to change the paradigm in this region from politics of rhetoric to a tangible transformation, development-oriented agenda. We have done politics for 58 years. Year in, year out. It cannot be the same. We not continue with business as usual. Deliberately and consciously, we must change the politics of this region. Let us move away from perpetual politics to a pursuit of development agenda. And I can assure you without fear of contradiction that for the first time since independence, we have got a president who is truly keen on rolling out tangible development programs in Nyanza. And let us give him the support. Because he's the president of one country, we have got one government led by one president and one Kenyan people. And no elections will take place between now and 2027. Or let nobody cheat you that there will be any change in government between now and 2027. It's not possible. Yeah? So let's wait up to 2027, we go back to elections.
You know there is a task force on religious affairs going around. Presidential task force, not any other task force. Presidential task force on religious affairs. You people, you are in a historical moment. Please participate and give your views to that task force. If you have an opportunity, attend their sittings. If you don't have an opportunity, sit down and prepare your memorandum and make sure you send it to them so that your views are included. And that's why I'm saying you are in a historical moment. And while you are preparing your submissions or if you are there going to give your views personally, be sober. Divorce your views from emotions, because we need your views.
Haya, tukidina mbere ni ati ku